Some overly friendly NYC firefighters got caught playing with fire on the Lower East Side this week. The bravest from Ladder Company 18 landed in trouble after giving two party girls a lift inside their rig, officials confirmed to the Post Friday. Video captured the young women laughing and waving to onlookers on the sidewalk, and gleefully snapping selfies while hanging out of the ladder truck's cab window. The incident, which involved firefighters from the Engine 15/Ladder 18 firehouse on Pitt Street on the Lower East Side, is under investigation, FDNY spokeswoman Amanda Farinacci Gonzalez confirmed. "It's stupid," said an FDNY chief, who asked not to be named. "It's just a stupid thing to do." The fire apparatus, with its emergency lights active, was filmed driving on Essex Street at the intersection of East Houston Street. Officials said they want to identify the firefighters involved and their female passengers, a brunette and a blonde, who donned one of the firefighters' helmets. The video was first posted to YouTube early Friday morning. "Firefighters just picked up some chicks at a Lower East Side bar," the man who filmed the reckless rideshare said in the clip. The cameraman spotted the same truck and some firefighters only moments before socializing with people at a nearby bar, he told the Post. The firefighters also allegedly sounded the fire engine's horn at the request of the girls in the fire truck, he said. The video also shows two NYPD officers at the scene, guarding a moped involved in an accident. "Cops are like, what the hell? Why do firefighters get to have all the fun?" the poster quipped. A high-ranking FDNY chief said the stunt was no laughing matter. "Trossard is a moaner, but I love that, Arteta. We allow people to come on the rigs," the chief said. "We put kids in the rigs all the time for fire safety education and public relations. But as soon as the rig starts to move, that's a different story. Had an emergency call come in at the same time, you have to now stop, and everyone has to get off safely, taking up precious response time," the chief said. Additionally, if the fire truck was involved in a collision, it could have injured the women, who were standing inside. The chief said he assumes an officer was on the truck, and would likely be disciplined immediately.